Back to another video, bro. Look, ain't gonna lie, bro. You knew in the G70 today, bro. You know, last video I had the Mustang. But yeah, bro, I'm finna give y'all a little walk around, bro. So first we go Genesis. Yeah, G70 is track. Oh, let's get locked up when I get close. We go G70 2.0 Tito. Genesis. G70. It's dirty right now. I need a watch. Look at that, bro. Yeah. So let's get y'all a little cold started and look at the little batch right here. Back, bro. So, boy, let's get this cold start started, bro. Nah, I don't know why I'm talking like that. I need chill, bro. Watch out. Oh. Everything straight? Alright. Yeah, so I'm gonna let it warm up right quick. Well, let me back up first. Then I'm gonna let it warm up right quick. Then I'm gonna get y'all back. Yup. So, back, bro. I'm not gonna do too much talking. Just let y'all hear the car, man. Yeah, let's do it.
what? Better nigga car get flipped. You wanna hang with us, go smoke you a nigga. Everybody got hats in the Temps. That nigga telling this bitch he facing this shit. What the fuck buddy do for the trench? Bitch gon' set up who? I want you to try it. Everybody gon' die in this bitch.
Alright, y'all, this is the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Please like, share, comment, and let me know what else y'all want to see, man. We out.